Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Abdullah. Today I am going to explain you finding of roots by using Cholesky method. For that, we have to do it. Okay. First, I want to explain you or give you some equations which we will use in Cholesky method. Here they are. For finding of roots, we have a common equation. A of x is equal to now to make this equation for Cholesky, we have to replace something like a is equal to L into U, but here L is equal to something else, which is L is equal to U transpose into transpose. Okay. Now in the above equation where A is equal to L into U, we are going to replace it. It will become A is equal to U transpose into U. Here U is an upper value and T is for transpose. Okay, got it? Now, therefore, our final equation will become U transpose into U x is equal to this is the equation on which we will work and we will find the values of U transpose and the x and b from given equation. Okay, this is a generalized form or method to find Cholesky. I have to break my board into 3 small brackets because it's a very lengthy method. Now, my given equations are 4 of x plus y plus 3z is equal to 17. X plus 5y plus z is equal to 14. 2x minus y plus 8 of z is equal to 12. I have to find the roots of these 3 equations, in which I have to find values of x, y and z. So for that I have to convert my equation into the matrix form, which is A into x is equal to B. As I already derived it for you, we will use it in future. Now, for A, matrix A will be the constant or coefficients of x, y and z. Now for the first coefficient of x is 4, second is 1 because y is only have 1, and 3 of z. Okay. Now for second equation, x is equal to 1, y coefficient of y is 5, coefficient of z is also 1. Now for the third equation, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y minus 1 and coefficient of z is 8. Now here I will go solve for the x. In x, you got it? Now for x is equal to the coefficient unknown variables, which is x, y and z. X, y and z. And now for b. And b is equal to all the equivalent values. That will be our b. As I said, x and b will get from our equation. So you can see x, y and z. Okay. Now b becomes 17, 14 and 12. Now for this equation 1, therefore equation 1 implies that a, which is equal to 4, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 2, minus 1, 8. This is a into x, x, y, z is equal to b, which is 17, 14, 12. Okay. Now we will, to find the roots of this equation, we have to convert our equation into the required Cholesky equation u transpose into u x. So we have made it x is equal to b. To make for u, here our u matrix is equal to u11, u12, u13, 0 and 0, u22, u23 and 0, and here we have u3 of 3. This is u. So we have to find upper values of matrix A. Yes. Now we will send. Okay. I am going here. Now I have to convert this into 0, this into 0, and this into 0. I have to convert 1 into 0, 2 into 0, and 1 in minus 1 into 0. For this I will use Gauss elimination method, which Gauss elimination method. Okay. Now first of all, to make this 0, I will R3 minus 2R of 2. I will do this step first. For that my matrix A will become A is equal to 4, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 0, and I have calculated to save my time. which is minus 11 and 6. Now I get this value. You can see I get this value 0, which is that value. Okay. Now I have to work for this and this. Okay. For that, I will multiply R2 by 4 and subtract it from R1. There it is. I will use black. 4 R2 minus R1. Now I will get my matrix A is equal to 4 1 3 0. Start up. Okay. Now you can see by Gauss integration method I have come to here where we found the values of A, which is equal to U. This value is also equal to U. Okay. Now here I'm going to rub it. Now, by changing A into U, as current value of A is also equal to U, which is equal to 4 0 0 1 1 0 11 3 1 over 19 1 over 19 and 125 upon 19. Now this is U, and the transpose of U will be by changing rows into column we get 4 0 0 1 1 0 3 1 over 19 125 over 19. Okay. Now by putting these values into our formula, which is U transpose into U into X is equal to B, we get 4 0 0 1 1 0 3 1 over 19 125 over 19 into U, which is 4 1 3 0 1 1 over 19 0 0 and 125 over 19. I am going to rub it. 2. Continue my equation. Now my equation is x, which is I already find above, x, y, z, and b, which is equal to 17, 19, 17, 14, and 12. Okay, I will rub it. So this is the equation. So first I have to multiply product of this into x is equal to 17 over 4. As you see, in matrix multiplication, rows and column will be same here. We multiply with this into this multiplication method, and by solving this, I am just going to write first multiplication procedure by which you can understand 4 into 4 plus 1 into I am changing. In this case I am going to do this. Okay. You can also this by this method, but I solved previously according to this method, so I am going to write it now. 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Okay, this will be our first column. I'm going to for second row I have 0 4 into 0 is 4. This will be the second row. 4 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 over 3 into 1 over 1 over 90. Okay. Now for third one, which is equal to 4 into 0. So 1 into this by this. Okay. 4 into 0, and then next we have 1 into 0, and last we have 125 over 19 into 125 over 19. Solving this for second 0 less 0 less I have something 3 over 19 plus 0, here 0 plus 1 plus 1 over 19 into 1 over 19, and then we have 0 plus 0 is 6, and finally 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, and here we have 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 5 6 2 5 over 3 6 1. This will be our matrix. Okay, this is multiplication of this u into u transpose. Now I am going to rub all of this. Now, final multiplication of matrix u transpose into u is equal to 26, 22 over 19, 18, 0, 3, 62 over 3, 61, 6 over 19, 0, 0, 1, 5, 6, 2, 5 over 3, 61. This is simply u into u transpose. Now putting into our desired equation for u transpose into u into f is equal to b, we get, so this is very lengthy procedure, 26, 0, 0, 22 over 19, 3, 62 over 3, 61, 0, 18, 6 over 19, 1, 5, 6, 2, 5 over 3, 61 into x, which is x, y, z is equal to b, which is equal to 17, 14, 12. Now you can see this. Now by converting back these matrix into equation, our final equation becomes 26 of x plus 22 over 19 of y plus 18 of z is equal to 17. Okay, we just make the coefficients of this, and then we make that, and finally I will do same for this 0 into x plus 362 over 361 of y plus 6 over 19 of z is also equal to 14. This term will be equal to this term will be equal to this, and finally 0 of x plus 0 of y plus 1 5 6 2 5 over 361 of z is equal to. Now here we get some values of z, y and x, which you can see here z. Now we go next. Now I have to again divide my board into a piece. Okay, now from this, I hope you can understand. From this, I get the values of z. Okay, now z is equal to 12 into the coefficient of z. This one, the coefficient of z means 361 over 15625. 15625. I get some value which I have to calculate. 12 into 361 over 15625. I get the value. I wrote in what it is. This is equal to 4332 over 15625. But further in decimal, I have 0.2772. Okay, these values, these are the answers of z. Now by putting the values of z, I call it equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. Okay, now by putting the values of equation 4 into 3, because here x is 0 and we have to find the values of z, then only we have to find the values of. So we put the values of z into equation 2 by putting in 3 we get. Therefore y will become, y is equal to 14 minus I bring this value over here, which is 6 over 19 into 0. I find the values of z 0.277 of 2, and now I will multiply the values of the coefficient of y, which is y. Don't confuse, this is the values of. Okay, now which is 361 over 362. Okay, now I can get the values of y, which is 14 minus 6 over 19 multiplied by the answer divided by 361. Multiplied by 361 362, which comes to y is equal to 13.87 of 4. Okay, this is the values of y. Now in equation 2, I have the equation 2. Okay, and you can see I have already found the values of z and y and z. No, and the only unknown thing is x, which I have to find. For that I have to put the values in equation 1. I will solving here. Okay. Now equation for x will be equal to 17 minus 22 over 9, 22 over 19 into 113.874 minus values of z 18 into 0.277 of 2, 0.277 of 2, and we divided it all the equation with the coefficient of x, which is 26. Okay. Now I will do some using calculator. 17 minus 22 over 19 multiplied by 113.874 minus 18 into 0.2772 divided by 26, which is equal to now. By using Cholesky, I am able to find the values of z. Here, finally, we have. I am going to rub it on. Z is equal to 0.2772. Y is equal to 13.87 of 4, and x, which is equal to minus 0.155. Here it is, the solution of 3 equations by using Cholesky method. Hope it will clear your concept. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to find out the values of y by using cubic polynomial to fitting the curve fitting. Okay. I already made some table which were given to you in the questions or in the exam. Here is a table which we have two values, x and y0, which is given 0, 1, 2, 3, and y0 1, 2, 1, 1, 0. Here it is some formula. We have to find cubic polynomial and x0 is equal to 4. And this value, we have to find the values of y. And x0 is equal to 4. So I am going to make some kind of table here where delta y0 is equal to, it is the difference of these two values, means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, and then second difference will be 1 minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1, and the third 10 minus 1, which is 9. Okay, here it is minus. Well, just by using a simple, here it is 3 different values by subtraction method. Now I will do the same for these values, means minus 1 and minus 1, which is equal to minus 2, and similarly for these two values, which is 9 minus 1, which is equal to 10, and finally I will do for these two values, which is equal to 1. Now you can see I have to find at x naught is equal to 4, which is beyond this table. So I have to do backward method of cubic polynomial. There are two kinds of polynomial function method are present. One is forward and the other one is backward. We have to use the, according to our question. Here it is as x naught is equal to 4, which is beyond the table, where it can exit. So we have to use backward substitution method. We will take these two values, and after that we will do something like that. We will start from here and we will go to this. Okay, so x naught is equal to 4 for h will be the h is equal to 1. Here x naught is 4 and xn, which is equal to 3. This values of xn. Okay, so h is equal to 1, and as we get the value of both x and 1, so p also is going equal to 1. Okay, now this is the formula for cubic polynomial in backward condition. Okay, we have the values of y naught, which is this. We have the value of p del y naught, p here, del y naught, this del y square, and so on. Now putting the values of these in equation, this value will be x naught and this will be y naught. Okay, so by putting the values of